now recording a fucking, I don't know what he is, a hawk, a fucking eagle. But when I tell you the motherfucker is huge, and I'm mad because I'm so far and I can't get a fucking close-up. But the motherfucker almost snatched my hand off. I told you he was gonna snatch my hand off. I was feeding the birds, man, and the motherfucker just swooped by and snatched a whole entire pigeon, and that's what he's doing over there now. Him and some crows, they're sharing the fucking pigeon. Dear Lord. Oh my God, fucking crazy. Oh my God. He's huge. Look, he is tearing that fucking pigeon up, bendito. My fault, too, for feeding the fucking pigeons. I had them all hurdled up on my window, and the nigga just swooped and snatched them up. And the crow, look, he's jumping. He jumped down, and the fucking crows is there sharing with his ass. Look, ooh. My God, he's huge. And he is not letting go of that fucking pigeon. That shit is dead, and he got it in his claws. He left some scraps on the fucking landing of the roof for the two crows. Unbelievable. Damn, I wish somebody was here with me. They're not gonna believe me. Look at him. Look at him moving. My God, he's huge. Oh my goodness.